We will continue 9th day's 10th English medium AP lesson. We are discussing about previous year question papers. Shall we copy the next question? In an AP, sum of third and fifth terms is 30. In an AP, sum of third and fifth term is 30. Sum of fourth and eighth terms is 46. Sum of fourth and eighth terms is 46. Write AP. Shall we write down what are given? Third term, how do you write? A3. Fifth term, A5. Sum is equal to 30. Same way, A4 plus A8 is equal to 46. Replacing third term by A plus 2D, fifth term by A plus 4D. Add the terms. 2A plus 6D is equal to 30. Use the second relation. A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 46. Two A plus 10D is equal to 46. We got both the equations. We will write one below the other. Two A plus 10D is equal to 46. 2A plus 6D is equal to 30. Dividing by 2 also you can bring it to simpler form and then subtract. Can be done. Change the sign of the second equation. 10D minus 60 is 4D. 46 minus 30 is 16. D is equal to 4. Next, substitute in 2A plus 6D is equal to 30. 2A plus 6 into 4 is equal to 30. 2A is equal to 6. A is equal to 3. Got the answer? We will move on to next question. June 2018 paper. Find the sum of all. Find the sum of all two-digit numbers. Sum of all two-digit numbers divisible by 5. Two-digit numbers in 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 10 is the starting 2-digit number. Next 15, 20, then 5 20s are 100. 100 has 3 digits, it cannot be considered. Previous to 100 is how much? 95. So 10, 15, 20, so on up to how much? 95. Easily can you identify A, D, nth term? Yes, right. A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. An as well as last term is 95. What you have to find? How many? First we have to find, then sum of those numbers. So we have to find n also, Sn also. Which formula we have to make use first? Yes, An formula. By this time, everyone knew An formula and both Sn formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of An, we have to take 95. In place of A, 10. In place of D, 5. Shift 10 to left hand side, it will become minus 95 minus 10 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Then take 5 and divide. 85 by 5 is equal to n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 17. N is how much? 18. Now n is known, first term is known, last term is known. Which formula we will make use to find Sn? Lengthy formula or short formula? Yes, definitely short formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. (18 by 2 into 10 plus 95). 9 into 105. So what is the answer we got? 945. We will copy the next sum. Find the sum of all n natural numbers. Find the sum of all n natural numbers. It is easy to write natural numbers, no? Everyone wrote it. 1 plus 2 plus 3, so on. Up to n. Can everyone write A, D and n value? A is equal to how much? 1. D is also 1. N is n only. What we have to find? Sn. Which formula? Lengthy formula. Correct. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, inside the bracket, 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. When we multiply by 1, we will get the same, n minus 1. So 2 plus n minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, inside the bracket only n plus 1. Outside the bracket n by 2, that we will write n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Sum of natural numbers. One more formula also. It can be remembered as one more formula. Sum of all natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. If they ask sum of 4 natural numbers, 6 natural numbers, 10 natural numbers, if you remember the formula, applying in the formula directly we can find the answer. Suppose 6 natural numbers. 6 into 7 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 threes are 7 threes are 21. Is enough? Yes. Next question from 2016 April paper. An is equal to n square plus 3. Find A3. An is equal to n square plus 3. Write A3. Orally you can do. It's a multiple choice question. 3 square, how much? 9. 9 plus 3, 12. Yes, answer is 12. Another question from April 2016. Find the sum of first 20 terms. Find the sum of first 20 terms of 4 plus 7 plus 10 and so on. 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus so on. How to solve it? First you have to write AP, then you have to write A, D, N values. Then what is asked you have to write. Write one by one. Everyone completed AP? How much A value? 4. D value? 3. N is equal to 20. What you have to find? Yes, 20 is how much? S20 means Sn formula. Write Sn formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Then substitution. 20 by 2 into 2 into 4 plus 20 minus 1 into 3. 10 into 8 plus 57. 10 into 65. What is the last answer? 650. I hope everyone completed. Let us move on to last sum of this chapter from previous year question papers. In an AP, sum of first, third and fifth term. 3 terms we are adding. First term, third term, fifth term. Sum of first, third and fifth term is 39. Sum of second, fourth and sixth. Second, fourth and sixth terms is 51. Sum of second, fourth and sixth terms is 51. Find the sum of 10 terms. Find the sum of 10 terms. Can you write relation? Sum of 3 terms. First term A, third term A3, fifth term A5 is equal to 39. Shall you write the second relation? A2 plus A4 plus A6 is equal to 51. Now A will be written as A only. A third will be written as A plus 2D. A5 will become A plus 4D is equal to 39. A plus 2D plus A plus 4D is equal to 39. Now, how many times 3A? 3 times, 3A. Add all D, it will come 6D. 2A plus 6D is equal to 39. 2A plus 6D is equal to 39. Let it be equation 1. 3A plus 6D is equal to 39. Next, A2 will be replaced by A plus D. A4 will be replaced by A plus 3D. A6 will be replaced by A plus 5D is equal to 51. Everyone completed? 3A, 1D, 3D, 4D. 4D plus 5, 9D. If nothing is written along with D means it should be considered as 1D. 3A plus 9D is equal to 51. Let it be equation 2. Write both the equations together. 3A plus 9D is equal to 51. 3A plus 60 is equal to 39. Subtraction, change the sign of the second one. 3A cancels. 9D minus 6D is 3D. 51 minus 39 is 12. D is equal to how much? 4. Substitute in any one equation. 3A plus 6D is equal to 39. 3A plus 6 into 4 is equal to 39. 3A is equal to 39 minus 24. 3A is equal to 15. A is equal to 5. What is asked at the end? Find the sum of 10 terms. Shall we go for short formula? For that one we require 10th term. So we will find 10th term. A10 is equal to A plus 9D. A is equal to 5 into 9, 5 plus 9 into 4. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n l formula. Last term is 10th term, that is 41. A is 5. 41 plus 5, 46. 46 divided by 2 is 23. 23 into 10, 230. With that, I have completed first lesson AP, and the questions that are appeared in that chapter in the previous years. I hope you all understood. Again repeating, practice makes one perfect. Collect as many sums as possible from AP, work out them, then you will get an idea what type of questions will come in annual exam as well as midterm exam. It is sufficient in this class. We will meet you in next day's lesson. Till then, bye.